Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Tradezella. First, open the Tradezella website on your browser. In the top right corner, click on Get Started button. After that, you can sign up with Google. You can also enter your email address and create a password. To sign up with Google, click on the Given button. Now continue with Google by choosing your Google account. Then, allow Google to access your information by clicking on Continue. It will open a welcome page on your screen. Hit the Continue button. Here, choose any option to tell about your trading time period. Following that, click on the Continue button. Choose your primary broker by clicking on it. By clicking on Continue, tell what you are currently trading. Again, click on Continue to move further. After that, select what you are looking to do with Tradezella. Hit the Continue button and tell from where you heard about Tradezella. Now we will show you what you can achieve with Tradezella. Here, you can choose your plan as it offers a basic plan for $29 per month and a pro plan for $49 per month. That's how you can use Tradezella. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.